For my study and quiz tool, I selected Quizlet. I personally still use Quizlet. I've always really enjoyed using Quizlets. I find them really helpful in studying and quizzing myself and helping me prepare for tests. So right here were some of my questions and my answers to them. So you would add a card if I wanted to type another one. Type my question here, my definition here, and that's it. If I don't want this card, I can delete it. And then now that I have my 5 questions created, I would click create. It's up here, or you can come down here and click it. Create my Quizlet, and then my Quizlet is here and ready. I'm gonna go ahead and copy the link real quick so I have it for when I need to submit this. And here are my questions in my set. Here you can just do flashcards and go through them. Click them to see the answer. There's a learn section where it has you select different questions and answers, and it mixes them up really well. There's a write where you can type them, what your answer is. It is very specific. That part is very picky. So like if you forget the end mark or whatever, it will count it wrong. And then there's a test here, which is fun to do at the very end to see how you're doing. And it mixes true and false, multiple choice, written questions. You can change your options. Like if I wanted them all to be true and false, I would unselect those. If I only wanted 3 out of the 5 questions, it would just pick 3 random ones. There's also 2 games here you can play. So I think Quizlet is very useful and very helpful.